Looking for a way to beat the heat without breaking the bank? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Intex 10-foot metal frame pool. The Intex 28201 EP 10-foot by 30-inch metal frame above-ground swimming pool set, priced at $174.11. What caught my eye was its easy setup and robust design. If you want a fun, hassle-free pool experience this summer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The pool is ready for water in just 30 minutes, so you're not waiting around all day. Plus, with its dual suction outlet fittings, the water circulation is improved, meaning the water stays cleaner and clearer for longer. It has a generous 1,718-gallon capacity, perfect for kids and adults alike. And let's not forget the puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material that stands up to all that summer fun. The included 330 GPH filter pump has hydroaeration technology, which not only helps with filtration, but enhances water clarity too. Now, some people complained about the assembly process being a bit tricky initially. Here's the thing though. Once you get the hang of the innovative T-joint design, it becomes really smooth. It's just those first-time moments that can be a little frustrating. This is perfect for you if you've got kids and want a pool that can handle some rough play. Skip this one if you're looking for something massive or have limited space in your backyard. For the price, you're getting a solid deal on summer enjoyment. Now, if the assembly issue with the Intex pool bothered you, this next option might actually be even better for quick setups. Product number 2. Intex Prism Frame Pool. We have the Intex 26701EH Prism Frame Premium Above Ground Swimming Pool Set, which is priced at just $139.95. The affordable price and solid build caught my attention right away. If you're after a budget-friendly pool that's easy to put together, this one is definitely worth a look. Why? Well, it's ready for water in only 30 minutes and holds up to 1,185 gallons, making it a great option for families. The strong powder-coated steel tubing gives it stability and rust resistance, so you won't have to worry about wear and tear as the summer goes on. Plus, it features the same crystal clear filtration system with hydroaeration technology, ensuring your water stays crystal clear. But here's the catch. Some users mention that the latter is sold separately, which can be an additional expense if you need one. Honestly, it's a bit of a bummer, especially if you're planning on having little ones use the pool. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a compact yet durable option and don't mind investing a bit more for extras like a ladder. Skip this one if you want a complete package right out of the box. Overall, it's an excellent value for the quality you're getting. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for families looking for something different. Product number 3. Sunrio Rectangle Pool. Let's look at the Metal Pro 8'3" by 5' by 26" rectangle pool from Sunrio, priced at $169.99. I was intrigued by its rectangular shape, which is different from the typical round pools. If you want a pool that fits well in tighter spaces, this is definitely a great option. Here's why this matters for you. This pool holds up to 600 gallons of water and is designed with heavy-duty 3 layers of PVC material that resist leaks and punctures. The galvanized steel frame ensures it's stable, so you're not worrying about it collapsing mid-swim. Plus, the setup is a breeze thanks to the innovative T-joint frame that allows for quick assembly. The downside? Some users found the size a bit small for larger families or gatherings. I can see how that might be a deal breaker if you're expecting a crowd. But if you're just looking for a place to cool off or for the kids to play, it's more than adequate. This is perfect for you if space is tight and you want something easy to maintain. Skip this one if you plan on hosting big pool parties. For the price, the quality is impressive and worth considering. Now, if that size limitation didn't sit well with you, let's check out a more spacious option that's still easy on the wallet. Product number 4. Intex Easy Set Pool. Our fourth pick is the Intex 28141A Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool Set, priced at $128.81. Right off the bat, the quick setup time really caught my attention. If you want a pool that can be up and running in no time, this one's for you. You can fill it with water in just 10 minutes. It holds 1,926 gallons, offering plenty of room for fun. The inflatable top ring design makes it easy to set up. Just inflate and fill. Plus, the puncture-resistant 3-ply PVC material means it can withstand the excitement of summer days. The included 530 GPH filter pump also helps keep the water crystal clear. However, a few users noted that the inflatable ring sometimes loses air quickly, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you keep an eye on it and maintain it well, it shouldn't be a huge issue. This is perfect for you if you have kids who want to jump in and out quickly without a lengthy setup process. Skip this one if you'd prefer a more permanent installation. At this price, it's a solid investment for summer fun. Now, if that air loss issue concerns you, let's look at the final option that combines value and durability. Number 5. Bestway Fast Set Pool. We have the Bestway 57269E Fast Set Up 10-foot by 30-inch outdoor round inflatable above-ground swimming pool set, priced at just $72.99. I was shocked at how affordable this one is. If you're on a tight budget, this could be your ticket to summer fun. This pool has a capacity of 1,004 gallons and sets up in about an hour, which is pretty great for those who want to make the most of their summer days. The lightweight PVC material is both durable and tear-resistant, so you won't have to worry about it fading over time. Plus, it comes with a filter pump and cartridge to help keep the water clean. A downside that some users have reported is the lack of sturdiness in windy conditions. I'll be real with you, if you live in an area with frequent gusts, this might not be the best choice. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that gets the job done. Skip this one if you have high winds or a lot of kids who are rough on pools. For the price, it's a steal. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap up and weigh your options. To recap, we started with the intex 10-foot metal frame pool, perfect for easy assembly. And then the intex prism frame pool, which is a solid option but needs a separate ladder. Next was the Sunrio rectangle pool, great for tight spaces, followed by the intex easy set pool, ideal for quick setups. Finally, the Bestway Fast Set pool is unbeatable for its price, but may struggle in windy conditions.